Hi guys! Mabuhay! For today's video, meron na naman tayong panibagong edisyon ng unboxing. Samahan ninyo ako. Tara! Ayun guys, so meron nga tayo i-unbox today. Ayan. So ito ay regalo mula sa estudyante ko na pinahiram ko ng coat kasi last April 5 nagkaroon kami ng parang prom. Ayan. Kasi magkahiwalay yun sa amin sa grade 9 ball and then yung grade 10 ball. Ayan. So hindi sila JS prom kasi pinaghiwalay nila yung grade 9 and grade 10. Ayan. So, yung pinahiram ko ng coat is grade 10 since na nagsabi kasi siya sa akin na wala pa siyang isusuot and yung team nila is masquerade. And nagkataon naman, yung team naman namin sa grade 9 is Stardust. Ayan. And supposedly, yun yung susot ko, yung coat na pinahiram ko sa kanya. Dahil sabi sa amin nung una, nung estudyante ko na nag-invite sa grade 9 na pwede kahit anong color, pwedeng silver, pwedeng black, pwedeng any related dun sa Stardust. And then, ang nangyari, parang yung mga guests pala, dapat naka-black lang. Kaya buong puso kong pinahiram yung aking coat, ayan, sa aking estudyante. And ayan nga guys, nakakatuwa kasi instead daw na bumili na lang siya ng coat or mag-rent, yung gagastusin nila is bibili na lang nila ng gift sa akin. And ito na guys, ito yung pinadala nilang gift sa akin. Ayan guys, syempre bubuksan na natin. Ayan. So, medyo matagal na siya, no? Alam niyo na, hindi ako nagbubukas talaga agad ng mga gift. Ayan, so ngayon lang natin siya bubuksan, i-check. Ayan, sabi ko sa estudyante ko talaga, hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan, honestly, kasi nga, gusto ko i-vlog siya and gusto ko siyang pasalamatan. Ayan, kaya sa aking F2 na student, ayan, si F2. Ayan, Francis, ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, so ano ba yung gift niya? Para ang dami naman nito. Ayan, so meron tayo dito, ayan, si Vago, ayan, 13 ounce na, ayan, Sir Sumalbag, thank you. Ayan, and God bless. Ayan, from F to S. Ayan, si Francis Santiago. Ayan siya guys. Check lang natin yung kanyang gift. Ay! Ang ganda ng color. Ayan, nagtanong kasi siya sa akin last time kung ano daw bang favorite kong color. And sabi ko sa kanya pink pero blue na lang. Ayan, blue ba to? Parang, ayan, sky blue. Ayan. So, colorblind. Ayan, so, alam niya kasi mahilig ako mag-coffee. Ayan, so, paano siya buksan? Ayan siya, guys. So, meron tayo ditong, ayan. So, pwede natin siya ilagay dito sa ating, ayan. So, dito sa ating cup lid, ayan. So, pwede natin ilagay siya. Tapos, ang laman sa loob, meron siyang, ayan, manual. Meron din siyang, ayan, so, si Bago. And meron siyang, ayan. So, ito yung laman ng ating unang gift. Ayan, so, pang coffee natin. Ayan, thank you. And meron pa tayong, ayan, so lagay naman ng tubig. So, si Bago din. Ayan, so ito ay, ayan, Sir Sumalbag. Thank you and God bless. F2S. Ayan, so 22 ounce naman siya. So, ang color naman nito ay, ayan, parang maganda yung color nito. Ayan, so, green and pink. Ayan, so, ayan, thank you so much. Ang ganda ng color. Ayan. From si Bago. Alam niyo, ang dami ko ng ganito. From, ano naman, Aqua Flask. Ayan siya, guys. So, ganito rin kalaki. Mas, ano ko kasi yung ganito kalaki. Meron din ako yung 40 ounce. Kaya lang, pag nilalagyan ko ng tubig, hindi ko siya pwedeng ilagay sa bag kasi sobrang bigat na. Ayan, kaya naglalagay na lang ako sa school. Ayan, pag papasok ako sa klase, ayan. So, ganun kadami. Yung 40 ounce yung ginagamit ko kasi nga, minsan hindi na ako nakakababa. Ang baba ko na is 11 o'clock or pagka minamalas-malas. Malas-malas no? Ayan yung schedule ko, inaabot ng 1 o'clock. Ayun na yung lunch ko, 1 o'clock. Kaya, so, kailangan ko talaga na maraming water doon sa, ayan, sa classroom. Ayan, so, syempre, yung last, meron pa. Grabe. Ayan. So, from Regatta. Tama ba? Regatta ba to? Ayan. So, buksan natin yung paper bag. So aside from, ayan, pang coffee, pang water, ayan, meron din tayong, this is, ayan, shirt, ayan, shirt from Regatta. And, ayan siya guys. So, ang ganda ng color niya. Ang ganda ng color niya. Kaya parang pink. Parang pink siya. Peach. Ayan. So, yun yung color niya. Ang size niya is medium. Ayan. So, medium size. So, sana small size. Ayan. Pang small size lang ang binibili kong size ng damit. Pero yung itong medium is okay din naman. Ayan. Pang lakad-lakad natin guys. Lalo na ngayong summer, syempre, kailangan komportable tayo sa mga suot natin. Ayan. Ayan, so, thank you so much. Ayan, F2, ayan, so nakikinig ka, nanonood ka. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, and muli sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta kay Mr. Su, maraming salamat po. Tayo ay road to 23K. Ayan, thank you so much sa patuloy na nagpapamember, nagpapalipad sa ating mga premiere. Ayan, ingat kayo palagi. God bless. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.
I know you
don't ever
told your
wanna set me
friend
free.
you're not okay. But if I lay down and I play dead, you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look